So I'm going to create our new project. I'm going to keep it on JavaFX. What do you want? I don't really want it to have any sort of code for us, so I'll leave it on Java. We'll fix it up ourselves. Now, this project name is going to be Chapter 15 Listing 15_2, and I'll go ahead and create our main class the same name as they have in our textbook. It's pretty long. It is control circle without event handling. Now I would do this again. I just wanted you to see how we're naming our things a little different. So we can have that class name that if we want within our project that has a name that we can find again, however you'd like to save things. Now when I look at my class here, control circle without event handling, the first thing I notice I need a lot of imports. And I want application.application. For this one, we're going to use scene.scene, and we've got a lot of others that we're going to use that are scene oriented. Before we do all of the scene ones, let's do our geometry.pos, and that's going to give us some positioning for the different things that we might want to draw. Now, of our scene items, we want scene.control.button, and JavaFX layout stack pane, and layout.hbox, and layout.borderpaint. Oops. I'm going to make a mistake. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 layouts, 1, 2, 3, control, and our scene and geometry. Okay, so now we need a few others. Scene.paint, .color, and you'll see how we use these. Scene shape keeps giving me ones that I don't want. Circle, and lastly our stage. That should be all our imports that we need for our application. Get rid of these comments at the top, you know how they drive me crazy. So let's do something nice here. So I'm going to construct a circle here. I have some comments that's going to keep me on track. Now, because my class is going to be a JavaFX program, I'm going to extend the application class, and then it's going to complain at me because I need to override our start lowercase. Now in our start, we'll be receiving our stage. It gets rid of all of our errors. We're going to start out with a stack pane object, and we're going to name this pane new stack pane. We're going to create a circle named circle with a radius of 50. For our circle, we're going to use some of its set methods. First of all, we want to set the stroke. I want you to notice how you can find the things here. We want to set the stroke, and we're going to use a color. So we can use some colors that way by including our paint.color library, class library, and using our color class. Now the next thing we want to do for our circle is set the fill, and we want to set our fill equal to white. So you can experiment with this and see how you want to try some things. Now we're going to update our pane and use the getChildren method to add our circle. We want a little bit more. We're going to create an H box. Fix my typo here. We'll set our spacing, as they suggest, to 10. And then we're going to set our alignment to the center. Sorry, that's uppercase P. Position center. And then we're going to create a button called BT Enlarge. This button, we want to make our circle bigger eventually. It's going to be a new button, and we're going to have our text property say enlarge, so that shows up on the button. And then I'm going to make another button, BT Shrink. And then I'm going to add them both to our H box. So now we've got a circle on there, and we've got a couple of buttons, and we're ready to put everything together. going to set up a border pane. This one has gotten me. Notice we're using some defaults, so make things easier for ourselves. Now, in our border pane, we're going to set on the bottom our H-box. Set alignment, H-box. Now, we get there? All right, we are. So we've got everything set up in our border pane. Let's create a scene. Now we're going to set up our scene to build on our border pane. And they suggest a size of 250 and 150. Of course, you can try experimenting with that a little bit. Then on our primary stage, we're going to set our title. Control circle. And set our scene to be scene. And finally show our stage. Now, in this example, we're going to have our buttons set up, but they're not going to do anything, right? Because we don't have any events associated with them. So let's see if we can get our thing to do anything. Okay, let's try and run it. What have I broken here? Let's see. Okay, so our buttons are here, but they don't do anything. We need to add some action to them, which we will do momentarily. So I'm going to close this and stop this video here, and we'll start a new one. Thank you.